Kitty bouncing, kitty bouncing, kitty bouncing, yeah. Body and
Hey guys, it's me Elise. I hope that you guys are all doing well. I'm back with a new video. So I have a new wig from Beauty Forever, and if you guys check the info section below, I will have all of the details and links provided there, and if I can find a discount code, I'll be sure to leave that below as well. So let's go ahead and get into this wig. I have their new pre-cut glueless lace wig. It does have that 6 by 4 3/4 lace, so it pretty much gives you a really deep parting space. The lace already comes pre-cut, as well as the hairline is already pre-plucked. It has this breathable cap, an adjustable removable elastic band, and it also has combs as well as silicone backing. As usual, I like to go ahead and put the wig on just to let you guys see exactly how I received the wig. Now this wig is in that body wave texture. My wig is 20 inches long and it's 150% density. This is what it looks like prior to me doing anything to it. I did find that the lace was a little bit too light, so I will be using a little bit of foundation to tone that down, and I'm going to go ahead and bleach my knots as well. This is totally unnecessary. This is just something that I just do. It became a routine of mine, so you guys don't have to do that, but I just choose to do it.
Mama don't need back and then Mama getting loco, Mama getting loose. Mama chocolate and cocoa, Mama getting loco, Mama getting loose. Mama this way they don't know, Mama getting loco, Mama getting loose. Mama chocolate and cocoa, Mama getting loco, Mama getting loose. Mama this way they don't know. Mama don't need back and then
So I usually like to style up my wigs while they're still soaking wet. It just makes it so much easier for me, and I'm not going to be tweezing this unit or anything like that just because it doesn't need it, as you guys can see. But like I just said, I'm just going to do some pre-styling. I added a middle part. I'm going to pull out some baby hairs and get those laid. So this is actually the next day, and I let the wig air dry. I did put a fan on it for like the last 2 hours just because the nape was still a little bit wet. But for the most part, we are ready to go ahead and get this wig curled up. I'm going to apply a heat protectant firstly, and I'll have everything linked in the info section below in case you guys are interested in anything that I'm using. I added my wax stick just along the very top of the wig just to make sure that it's nice and flat. Now I'm just going to go ahead and run my hot comb over those areas. Now I'm using my curling iron. I do believe that this curling iron is discontinued. However, I will link a more updated one in the info section below. However, this is like a 1.5-inch barrel, I think. I'm just going to do some nice fluffy curls. I'm not bringing the curls up too high just because I kind of wanted just the texture to be at the very ends, if you guys get what I mean. So yes, this lace is white, so I like to go in using a little bit of foundation in order to tone that down. I like to use like my summer shade, which is about one shade darker than my skin tone. However, it's a perfect match right now being that it's like practically summer out here. Now I'm going to go ahead and compact all of my hair up underneath that stocking cap, and then we're going to go ahead and get the wig on. You guys see how easily this comes together. I didn't have to cut off any lace and potentially mess up my baby hairs or anything like that. So this is what this is looking like. Yes, you still kind of notice the lace kind of peeping through. This will be the time for you to go in and use some more foundation in order to get that to be a nice even melt. I didn't use any adhesives or anything like that because this is a glueless wig. You don't have to do that. However, if you do want to wear this wig long term, you can definitely use some glue, adhere it down, melt it down. You guys get into this wig. Look at how flowy and luscious these curls are. I love the sheen. I love the light density. It doesn't look too heavy or anything like that. It just looks very light and natural. The movement, the flow, everything about it is just gorgeous, and I am here for it. Now you guys don't have to do the baby hairs. I've been a little extra with my baby hairs lately just because I've been noticing my forehead. I have such a huge forehead. However, you guys don't have to use any baby hairs or anything like that. This wig looks gorgeous as it is. You have all of that parting space to work with, and you can go ahead and pull it off, put it back on. It's super simple, ready to go. The perfect wear and go wig, y'all, and I'm here for it. But once again, you guys do check out Beauty Forever. I'll have all the details listed down below. Let me know what you guys think about this wig, and I'll talk to you guys on the next video. Bye guys.